Product Intro Zoho CRM Plus, features that transform. In today's fast-paced business environment, having the right tools is essential for success. Zoho CRM Plus combines powerful features to help you streamline operations and enhance customer relationships. Let's explore some of the transformative features of Zoho CRM Plus. Too many tools, too little selling. Sales rep named Jordan, running on a treadmill, holding a phone, laptop, and sticky notes. He's chasing leads, logging calls, switching tabs. This is Jordan. He's great at closing deals but not so great at closing browser tabs. The chaos of disconnected systems. Jordan's screen shows a dozen apps: CRM, support, email, analytics, chat, LL fighting for attention. Zoho CRM Plus allows you to create workflows that automatically trigger actions based on specific criteria. His CRM doesn't know what marketing's doing. Support doesn't know what sales said. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency in following up with leads and customers. Zoho CRM Plus. The chaos freezes. A sleek interface, Zoho CRM Plus, appears. Everything syncs smoothly. Jordan smiles. Meet Zoho CRM Plus, the all-in-one platform that gives your sales team everything they need in one powerful workspace. Features as superpowers. Jordan transforms into a sales superhero, with each feature giving him new powers. Cape optional. X-ray vision, unified timeline, see every email, chat, campaign, and support ticket. Time travel, automation, automate follow-ups, tasks, and workflows. Real sales result. Jordan's pipeline fills. Deals close. The team high-fives. Customers cheer. CRM Plus logo, smooth dashboard view, CTA button appears. Try it free or watch demo. By leveraging these features, Zoho CRM Plus can transform your business operations and enhance customer engagement. Give your sales team superpowers. Unify your tools. Simplify your workflow. Close more with Zoho CRM Plus. Want to learn more? Visit our website